Hello guys, it's ZenLD here. Welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of my own recipes that's not from the book I showed you in the last episode. It is from, well, myself really. And I'm joined by Smogless, who...
Hi, I have low dough and this is what we're going to be making the pizza out of.
Oh yes, 4 carb pizzas. Isn't that amazing, guys? And because we're going to be baking, I'm going to take my merch off so it doesn't get ruined. Roll the titles.
And for this we will need
some, where is it? Oh, there it is. Some garlic and herb passata sauce. Cheese. And for Smogless,
some pepperoni.
Okay, so let's get started, guys. So first thing we need to do is open the Lojo. Now I have to say, guys, this stuff is really quite expensive. It's from £5 just for one packet, considering there's only 2 bits of dough in the pack. So we'll work on our first bit. And who's going to get this one, do you think? Okay, Smogless, you can get this one. So what we're going to need to do is, like making normal pizzas, we add the sauce first. We're gonna need a spoon for this. Okay, we've got the spoon. Now we just need to open this. Ah, there we go. Now this might be a good time to turn the oven on, full blast in this one, at 250 Celsius. Okay, so Smogless, what you need to do is you need to dip the spoon in there, like right in. So we're going to use half of it. Then you use the back of the spoon to spread it all around your pizza. Okay. Now, next thing we need to do is get some cheese.
And grate it.
Yeah. Of course. Grating is great.
Got the grater.
And I've got the bowl. And also we've got the cheese here. And we're going to grate half of the cheese. So Smogless, do you want to do it? Yeah, so just hold the grater in one. No.
You hold
there. No, it's there. You grate it like that. Hold it like that.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Is that enough, ZLD?
Yes, that is. That's enough. Okay. Half of that's going on yours, half of it's going on mine. So just put the cheese back. So what you need to do is you just need to pick some up with your hand.
Some up.
And then just sprinkle it on top of the pizza, just like that. Of course. Oh, yes, Smogless. Here is the pepperoni. Just one bit at a time. There we go. Place it on your pizza.
Alright, put the last bit on. Oh, there's one left. I'm just going to eat it. So now we're going to put it in the oven.
In rehearsals, we cooked it for 5 minutes, but that was too long. So we're only going to put this in for 3 minutes. And it looks like the oven's heated up now, so we can put it in. You might need an adult's help with this bit. Hot. Cheese! Sorry, Mum.
You are for it.
Oh, I don't think so.
Oh, so that made a mess inside the oven.
Okay, so that's 3 minutes up now. We just need to take it out of the oven. You'll also need an adult. You might also need an adult's help with this. There we go. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Does that look good? Let us know in the comments below. So now we just need to cut it. What do you think? Sixths or eighths?
So, just gonna...
Well, it certainly looks like pizza, doesn't it? But does it taste like pizza? That's the thing. So we'll let's both have a try of the pizza. And that's good pizza. It tastes like normal pizza, doesn't it, Smogless? Yeah. So that is overall, that's 4 carb pizzas, taste like pizza, look like pizza. It basically is pizza, but it's 4 carbs, compared to normal pizzas, which are 30. As for now, guys, bye, peace. Back down there.